Ayan, daming corn. Daming corn. Daming corn. We are getting corn. Habang soft pa. They just watered the other day. So, ito na ang aming nakuha. Ito ang dami. 20 ba ito? The others will preserve in the freezer. The others we will boil now. Ayan na. Ayan. Magbabalat pa. Hindi pa tapos yung iba. Corn on the cup. Trim some. Okay, eat some and then trim some of the covers and then trim both ends. Ayan, trim both ends. Then ito pa. Ayan. Pwede na i-freezer. Lagay na sa sa plastic. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Tapos lagay na sa freezer. Tapos anytime you want, just clean it in the running water, remove all these and the hairs, and then boil na for 15 minutes. It's like fresh pa rin. Get your face.